Guys, tingnan nyo. Ito na po yung Certificate of Investment from Barcelona, Spain. Ito po nagpapatunay na isa po akong co-owner and investor ng Global Intergold. So, nandito po nakalagay kung ilang shares of stocks yung binili ko sa company. So, this is it. Pag bumili ka ng lupa, ang tawag po noon, meron kang titulo na matatanggap. So, ito po ay Certificate of Ownership. Hard copy po, fresh from Barcelona, Spain. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Guys, tingnan nyo. Ito na po yung Certificate of Investment